We need to find Josh before Taz does.
Taz has a massive head start.
Josh is close and has a plan. How do you stay?
Get to higher ground.
What's the fastest way out?
Chris Shelton did.
He probably drove his own car. We didn't see anything. Chris Shelton drives the truck.
Is he on the road on the way in?
No.
What's the next closest road?
What's the track? It's at least a few miles north of where the body was just found.
We're by the areas we would have parked.
You didn't find any keys, did you? Here's the iron road. All right, we need to divide up.